In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Wise account from any country step by step. Whether you're looking to send money abroad, receive payments from overseas, or simply manage your finances in different currencies, Wise provides an excellent platform to do just that. So let's get started. First, we'll begin by heading over to the Wise website at wise.com. This is where all the magic happens, and you'll have access to create your new account. Once you're there, look for the register option, usually found at the top right corner of the home page. It's a bright and inviting button that's hard to miss. Once you click on register, you'll be taken to a page where you can sign up for an account. This can be done using your email address, Google, or Apple ID, making it super convenient. If you choose email, just enter your email address and set a strong password, something secure that you'll remember. Next, you'll need to choose the type of account you want. Wise offers two options, personal and business. If you're looking to manage personal finances, select personal. But if you need to handle business transactions, go with business. It's important to pick the right one as it will tailor the features that best suit your needs. The following step involves selecting your country of residence. This ensures that you get the correct currency options and services available for your region. Just type in your country or select it from the drop-down menu provided. This will help Wise customize your experience based on your location. Now we get to an important part, verifying your identity. This is a critical step to ensure the safety and security of your account and to comply with international financial regulations. You'll typically need to provide some identification, such as a passport or driver's license. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully to upload your documents. Wise uses this information to confirm your identity and ensure your account remains secure. With your identity verified, you can now add a currency account. Wise supports multiple currencies, and you can decide which ones you'd like to start with. Just click Add a Currency Account and select the currencies you want to manage. Next, fund your account. You can do this by linking your bank account using a credit card, or if it's available, Apple Pay. Choose the method that works best for you, enter the required details, and add funds to your Wise account to get started. Finally, once your account is funded, you're all set to begin sending, receiving, or holding money. Congrats on setting up your Wise account. With Wise, you can feel confident knowing you're getting fair exchange rates and low fees, making it easier to manage and move your money internationally from anywhere in the world. Enjoy the freedom and flexibility Wise offers, and happy banking!